Have you ever dreamed of working from anywhere, setting your own hours and getting paid to do what you love? Sounds perfect, right? Well, 2025 is shaping up to be the year freelancing takes off even more. If you're looking for ways to level up your career and secure your spot in the booming gig economy, you're in the right place. Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance, your go-to place for all things finance, freelancing, and building the life you've always wanted. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our community of go-getters ready to crush their financial goals. Today, I'm sharing the top 10 fast-growing freelancing skills for 2025. These are the skills that will be in high demand and will set you up for success as a freelancer. From tech to marketing, the opportunities are huge. Let's dive into these skills that could change your life. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning development. Our first skill is one that's already making waves and will continue to grow in 2025. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning development. As businesses across all industries invest heavily in AI, there's a huge need for freelancers who can create AI-powered tools, machine learning models, and intelligent automation solutions. From chatbots to data analysis, AI is transforming how companies operate. What you can do. 1. Earn programming languages like Python and TensorFlow. 2. Specialize in creating AI solutions for industries like healthcare, finance, and retail. 2. Blockchain development. Next up is blockchain development. It's not just about cryptocurrencies anymore. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing industries like finance, healthcare, gaming, and more. By 2025, the blockchain market is projected to grow exponentially, with decentralized applications and smart contracts at the forefront of the revolution. While it's booming, one blockchain is the backbone of secure, transparent transactions. 2 freelancers with blockchain skills are in high demand to create secure, decentralized systems. 3. Cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Cybersecurity is a big deal in 2025. With more data online, there's more potential for breaches. Freelancers skilled in cybersecurity and ethical hacking are needed to protect sensitive information and secure digital infrastructures. As businesses transition to digital, the demand for penetration testers, ethical hackers, and cybersecurity consultants will only grow. Pro tips. 1. Get certifications like CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker, or CompTIA, Security Plus Flagging.P.O. Offer services like vulnerability assessments, penetration testing, or ransomware prevention. 4. Web3 and Metaverse development. Let's talk about the Metaverse and Web3, the next frontier of the Internet. These concepts are already gaining traction, and by 2025 they'll be essential for businesses and creators. Whether it's designing virtual spaces for the metaverse or building decentralized apps, Web3 is all about giving users more control over their digital identities. Opportunities include 1. Designing 3D virtual environments for VR platforms. 2. Creating decentralized apps that run on blockchain technology. 5. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a must-have skill as more businesses move their operations online. Whether it's managing servers or optimizing cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure, this skill will continue to be in demand. Companies need freelancers to migrate data to the cloud, set up cloud infrastructures, and keep everything running smoothly. How to get started? 1. Get certifications in cloud platforms, AWS, Google Cloud, Azure. 2. Offer cloud optimization, migration, and management services. 6. Content creation and video editing. Short-form content is dominating social media in 2025. If you're a video editing Ms. or content creator, this skill is highly valuable. Brands and influencers are always looking for experts who can create engaging TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts that resonate with their audience and increase brand awareness. What you need: 1. Meester editing tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even AI-based editors. 2. Stay on top of trends like quick cuts, viral formats, and visual storytelling. 7. Social media management and strategy. Managing social media is more than just posting pretty pictures. It's about creating strategies that engage users and drive sales. As more businesses build their online presence, social media managers will be essential. By 2025, companies will need freelancers to develop campaigns that generate buzz, drive traffic, and grow brand loyalty. Hot platforms in 2025: 1. TikTok, LinkedIn, and emerging platforms. 2. Specialize in influencer collaborations, paid ads, and organic growth strategies. 8. UX/UI design. User experience and user interface (UI) design are critical for the success of websites and apps. If you're creative and enjoy solving problems, this skill is perfect for you. As companies prioritize user-friendly experiences, freelancers with UX/UI design skills will be in high demand to design intuitive, attractive, and functional digital products. Key tools to learn: 1. Master design tools like Figma, Sketch, or Adobe XD. 2. Focus on creating designs that prioritize both functionality and aesthetics. 9. Data analytics and visualization. Data is everywhere, and businesses need help making sense of it. Data analytics and data visualization are essential skills to transform raw data into actionable insights. As a freelancer, you can work with businesses to analyze data and create visually compelling reports that help decision makers understand trends and make better business choices. Why it's important: 1. Companies rely on data to drive strategies. 2. Prove your value by presenting data in easy-to-understand visuals. 10. Digital marketing and SEO. Last, but definitely not least, digital marketing and SEO. These evergreen skills are always in demand as businesses fight for visibility online. If you can help businesses rank higher on search engines or optimize their ad campaigns, you'll always find work as a freelancer. Specialize in: 1. SEO optimization for websites and blogs. 2. Digital ad management with platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Instagram. And there you have it, the top 10 fast-growing freelancing skills for 2025. Whether you're tech-savvy, creative, or data-driven, there's something on this list for you. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with someone looking to level up their freelancing game, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money and freelancing success. Which skill are you most excited to learn in 2025? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make 2025 your year to thrive as a freelancer.